Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into something really cool, and just a bit technical. We're going to change the boot logo in Windows 10 and 11. Whether you want to add a personal touch or just show off your tech skills, this tutorial is for you. So, let's jump right in. First, we need to check whether your system uses UEFI or legacy BIOS. Here's how. Press Win+R, type msinfo32, and hit Enter. If it says UEFI, you're good to go. If it says Legacy, unfortunately, this method won't work for your system. Next, we'll prepare your custom boot logo using the built-in Paint app in Windows. Open Paint, you'll see a blank canvas. The logo needs to match your screen's native resolution to avoid any distortion. For example, if you have a full HD screen, set the canvas size to 1920 by 1080 pixels. Here's how. Go to the Resize tab. Choose Pixels. Uncheck Maintain Aspect Ratio. 1920 for width and 1080 for height. Click OK. Now fill the canvas with black. Select the Fill tool. Choose black from the color palette and click anywhere on the canvas. Then, insert your custom logo. Go to File, then click Import to Canvas. Choose your image file. I am already create the logo using Photoshop and another tools. Once the logo appears on the black background, you can resize and position it as needed. For example, I will resize my logo to 400 to 400 pixels. Then drag it to the center of the canvas. When you are happy with the placement, save the image as a BMP picture. Name it Splash. Important: PNG, JPG, or transparent images won't work and might cause boot issues. Stick with 24-bit BMP with a black background. It's the safest option. Now it's time to apply your custom logo using a tool called HackBGRT. It's an open-source tool specifically made for UEFI systems. You'll find the GitHub link in the description. Download the latest version. Then extract the zip file. Open the folder and locate the default splash.bmp file. It comes with HackBGRT. Replace that file with your custom splash.bmp. So, copy the new logo file and paste it into the HackBGRT folder, replacing the existing splash.bmp file. Now let's install the HackBGRT. Right-click the setup.exe file and select Run as administrator. A command window will open. To install HackBGRT and apply your logo, just type I and press Enter. Then, press Enter again to close the window. That's it. Now restart your laptop to see the new boot logo in action. If Secure Boot is enabled, you might see a message like, Verification failed, security violation. That's okay, Secure Boot is just blocking the change. Here's how to fix it. Select OK to enter the key management menu. Press Enter again. Choose Enroll Hash from Disk. On the next screen, select that the system partition is where the HackBGRT files are located. UEFI HackBGRT grubx64.exe. Click Continue. And then select Yes. After enrolling the hash, reboot your laptop. Your new boot logo should now appear every time your computer starts. If you ever want to go back to the original Windows boot logo, it's super simple. Just right-click Setup.exe again, choose Run as Administrator. Then type R and hit Enter. HackBGRT will uninstall and restore your default boot logo.